Hey guys, what's happening? How to apply for Shein product reviewer. To become Shein product reviewer, you must be an active user and apply through the free trial section in the Shein app or website. So here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna click me on the bottom right, and you're gonna see on the third section on your screen, customer service, check-in, survey center, live, free trial center. So I'm gonna go ahead and press free trial center, right? And you can see right here you can apply to a certain product, right? And you can see the time left 5 days, right? You can go ahead and select the item that you want or the product you want to review. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit free trial on this item, right? Of course, pick the size, large, and of course, they will take you to the address, right? And you can go ahead and add your shipping address and hit submit, and basically you're gonna receive that item to review it, okay? Where you can apply up to 3 products per week. Winners are chosen through an automated system. After receiving the free product, you must test it. Take high quality photos and submit detailed review report within 10 days to receive points or rewards. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.